President of Ingkhol Youth Development Organization, in short Lydo, Condemns Rocky has strongly condemned the state cabinet's decision to dismantle homes in Ingkhol and relocate them to Langthai Local in the Kairao block. During a press meet held today at Ingkhol Community Hall, Rocky expressed the concerns of local residents regarding the government's decision made on December 3rd to reconstruct the homes at Langthai Local by providing land for relocation. Rocky highlighted that Ingkhol was originally designated by the kings as a settlement for people afflicted with leprosy. The area is a home to 156 households, totaling 936 individuals, including 488 voters. He stated that reportedly the land is now being claimed by the High Court of Manipur and urged to utilize the Khas land instead. He appealed to the government to consider offering land within the Wangkhai constituency if relocation is necessary. He further cautioned that residents will be willing to sacrifice their lives in the ancestral land if the government attempts to forcefully dismantle the area.
Khoigi lamje khoina ipai bu haktaktagi soronoron phumdana hallaman kya lairon sindana hingiba maham moijabanina khoina haijening badi state government na lawdabe yate harikasu tahoriba lam yum singje thambiramaga hangiba lamang tumang myamse oina lawbi sida mogi infrastructure myam tawbi waina matam kya adi takna lakpasida khoigi wasiba moina tabidadana hedang mi matagum tawbasisu paliba lengak sida akhoina yaragadi miobigi minusida khoina khundalitan sai humdrama fuoina khundarak pasigi matungina nusira de masem sen thambira moina haijening bane adu khundalita leiriba jaga sida di sopira kanu haisim di high court ju khoina appeal sim di tawjari.
Meanwhile, President of Ingkhol Consem Marola Punban Short Likla, Koijam Yumshangbi stated that she has lived in the area for 80 years. She recalled that in the past, people will cover their noses and mouths when passing through the area as it was home to people with leprosy and those with disabilities. She also noted that the residents were marginalized and excluded from participating in festivals organized by neighboring villages. Yumsangbi alleged that the government attempted to forcibly dismantle the area by forcing residents into signing documents, likening the actions to the conduct of security forces during combing operations. She referred to the government's order to collect compensation for their land after forcibly obtaining signatures. She urged the government to provide an alternative site in Wangkhai constituency or else to set their village ablaze.
Sarkar na pami base karino akhoi mayam se moi hatu aga thongaga sa bana pami bara karino wahang amadi hangninge lei hingon parja singsina lei hingon gi parja singsina hingi ba khuing se kamaina hinge haidi mina yengning da ba tukun jaba mafam sida mu hai ko sina kari wakhandagi pamdana akhoi bu tumi kang dauna sakhro haina tali sibu kari wakhan o haibase aina hadin hanjina makoi da hangningi sarkar na nungsibidana miyoi bagi phangpham thokpa phamanga loina sem saba loira kanda lohoi hongda ba yadare hairagadi akoi wangkhai ge manungda pibiu asisu tabi ba kauba leitragadi mafam sida akoi sirasu sini akoi kadai da su hongaroi haina arepa oirage haina khalle